Hello, my name is Sean Ario, and this is my submission for Video Exam 7, Prompt 1. Here I've created a rooted tree depicting the speciation of various types of chairs. The key at the top right of the page will help you follow along with the video, so feel free to pause at any time. The tree is made up of 4 clades. The first 2 clades originate at the most recent common ancestor for all the chairs, which is highlighted on the tree in turquoise. The 2 clades are separated based on the surroundings the chairs are used in, indoors in red and outdoors in green. The green clade includes the outgroup species. The tree bench underwent anagenesis originating from the most recent common ancestor for all the chairs seen in the tree. The next 2 clades separate within the indoor clade at internal nodes 1 and 2. The orange clade includes chairs that are accompanied by tables, while the blue clade includes chairs used for relaxation without a table. Within the orange clade, there are internal nodes 1, 3, and 5. Anagenesis occurs at internal nodes 1 and 3, resulting in the speciation of the bar stool and gaming chairs, respectively. Cladogenesis occurs at internal node 5, resulting in the speciation of school and office chairs. Within the blue clade, there are internal nodes 2, 4, and 6. Anagenesis occurs at internal nodes 2 and 4, resulting in the speciation of the lounge chair and recliner, respectively. Cladogenesis occurs at internal node 6, resulting in the speciation of the sofa, couch, and love seat. Below the tree, I have the individual chair species covered in depth with their OTU characteristics. The first set of chairs are used indoors with a table. The bar stool and gaming chair are closely related due to the leisure aspect of their use. The characteristic differentiating the 2 species is the activity of leisure each one is meant for, one for socializing and one for gaming. These 2 species of chairs share a common ancestor at internal node 1. The office and school chairs are even more closely related to each other due to the fact that both are used to do work. The differentiating characteristic that results in the 2 separate species is the intended occupant for each chair. Typically, students from the ages of 4 to 18 use the school chairs, while adults use the office chairs. These 2 species share a common ancestor at internal node 5. The second set of chairs are used for indoor leisure without a table. The lounge chair and recliner are closely related in that they both accommodate a single occupant. The characteristic differentiating the 2 species is the reclining aspect of the recliner. These 2 species of chairs share a common ancestor at internal node 2. The love seat and the sofa are even more closely related in that both accommodate for more than one occupant. The sofa can accommodate 2 to 4 people, while the love seat can only accommodate a maximum of 2 people. These 2 species of chairs share a common ancestor at internal node 6. To sum it all up, the species that are most closely related to one another are the school and office chairs and the sofa, couch, and love seat, respectively. This is evident that they are on the shortest branches on the rooted tree and underwent cladogenesis. The gaming chair, bar stool, recliner, and lounge chairs are each, in that order, the next closely related species to the cladogenic species in their respective clade. The chairs used with accompaniment of a table share a common ancestor at internal node 1, while the chairs used for leisure without a table share a common ancestor at internal node 2. These 2 branches share a common ancestor with the most recent common ancestor from the entire tree. The only outlier is the tree bench because it underwent anagenesis from the most recent common ancestor and is in turn used outdoors as opposed to indoors. And here are my sources. Thank you.